In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with Zelle online, or more accurately, clarify why you can't do this and what alternatives you have. You see, as of now, it's not possible to apply for a credit card through Zelle. This might be confusing if you're familiar with Zelle as a peer-to-peer payment service. Zelle is specifically designed to facilitate money transfers between bank accounts or debit cards that are linked to those accounts. It does not support transactions involving credit cards, so using Zelle as a means to apply or link a credit card just isn't in the cards. Let's delve into the reasons why this might be the case. Zelle focuses exclusively on moving money directly from one bank account to another, which sets it apart from platforms that may allow for more varied financial operations involving credit cards. Effectively, Zelle's service is limited strictly to peer-to-peer transactions. This focus on bank accounts means that credit cards cannot be added as a payment method within Zelle itself. In 2025, this functionality or lack thereof remains consistent. So, now that I've explained what Zelle can't do, let me guide you on what you can do instead if your aim is to get a credit card. Here's a straightforward process you can rely on. First, you'll want to choose a credit card issuer. Bank issuers such as Chase, Citibank, Capital One, and networks like Visa, MasterCard, and American Express provide numerous credit card products tailored to different needs. Once you've picked an issuer, visit their website or mobile app. Most banks and credit companies provide the opportunity to apply online, where you'll need to provide personal, financial, and employment information. This step is critical as it helps the issuer evaluate your eligibility for their credit product. Next, you'll likely need to submit some supporting documents. These might include proof of identity, proof of income, and your address. This documentation helps the lender assess your credit worthiness and confirm the information you've provided. Once submitted, you'll have to wait for approval. Some creditors offer instant approvals, while others might take a few days to review your application. This period involves checking your credit score, evaluating your capacity to repay, and ensuring everything is in order. Once your application is approved, it's crucial to use your new credit card responsibly. Always make timely payments and avoid maxing out your card, as this will help you build a strong credit history and maintain financial well-being. To sum it up, you can't apply for a credit card directly through Zelle, as it's tailored for money transfers between